In this video, I'm going to show you how to use iMessage on your iPad. Now, it's really easy to do, so let's go and jump straight into it. Now, the first step is you need to go and load up the settings on your iPad and click on your profile name in the top left-hand side. Now, make sure you're signed in to an Apple account. And once you've done this, click on Wi-Fi from the left-hand side. Make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on and make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi network. Now we're going to be using the Wi-Fi in order to send iMessages. You can then scroll down on the left-hand navigation and click on Apps. Scroll down again until you see Messages and go and click on this. Now just make sure iMessage is turned on and enabled, and then you can go and close out of this window. Use your finger to swipe down on the screen and go and search for Messages and open up the Messages app. You can then click on the New Message button, go and type in the contact or the phone number you want to send an iMessage to. You can then go in, type out your message and click on this Send button, and this will send your message using iMessages as long as the recipient also has iMessages as well.